Hey, so we are continuing week number 2, all right? Week 2, day 2 of it, we can officially call it. And we want to simply continue with what we discussed previously, and that is with your multiplying of your whole numbers. Now, let's be honest here, okay? We want to know just the basics here. You're not going to have to ever do 376 times 825. All right, it's just we want to understand the technique, but big picture wise, you're always going to be reaching for your calculator later on. So we want to make sure we understand the basics. 2 digits, yes. 3 digits, well, no, not really. All right. Now, 3 digits as in 3 digits with a 1 digit. Let's just show you what we're after here. All right. So in today's lesson, all right, we're going to make sure that you're kind of leading it there. So a lot more of you stop, you pause, all right, you solve it, and then hit play and see if everything matches up with it. Now, we will walk you through the first one just as, a little friendly reminder here as to what we're doing. And, oops, you know what, let's make it 18. This is the largest problem we should ever have to do. And even that, this is a calculator problem. So we're just going to show it to you here because it covers everything, and we'll take it from there. So let's go through it. 8 is going to get multiplied to everyone that's here. So 8 times 6, 48. We're going to put down our 8. We're going to carry the 4. All right. 8 times 7, 56 plus your 4, that's going to get us to 60. So we're going to put down the 0. We're going to carry the, 6. And then 8 times 3, 24. 24 plus 6, that gets us exactly to 30. So there we go. Make my 0 a little bit better here. Now, do remember when we start the second row, we do start with your 0. Because remember, we're using a 1 here. And the 1 is in the tens position. So that's why we start in the tens position. Nice thing is it's a 1. So 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 3, 3. Now we're ready to add them all up. 8 plus 0 is an 8. 0 plus 6, that's a 6. 0 plus 7, my goodness, a 7. And then 3 plus 3, yep, there's your 6. I snuck it in down there. So it gives us to a grand total of our 6,768. So again, that's pretty much the largest problem we ever want to do. You just don't. So we want to make sure we're comfortable with problems like this. 38 times 4. All right, so pause that video here. All right, go and solve it, and hit play as we walk our way through it. So 4 times 8, 32. So we put down the 2, and we carry the 3. 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus the 3, 15. 152. There we go. Let's go on to question number 3. Let's try 381, and we're going to multiply that times 6. Go ahead, hit your pause button here, solve it, and let's see how you do. 6 times 1, that gives you a 6. 6 times 8, 48. So we're going to put down the 8, we're going to carry the 4. 6 times 3, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. So there we go, 2,286. We're done with it. Questions 4 and 5. Now we're going to get into our 2-digit ones. And like I said, we do want to know the basics of them, but we never push far past it. So go ahead and try 32 times 74. All right, let's see what you did. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. Check your first line. Did you have 128? Did you start your second row with your 0? And now we continue. Same procedure, but we're using the 7. 7 times 2, 14. Carry the 1. 7 times 3, 21. Plus the 1, 22. And now we're going to add them all up. 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus nothing? Well, just a 2. So there we are, 2,368. And like I said, that's really the largest style of problem you're going to want to be aware of. So it is all about your multiplication facts. And long as we realize that we're using that 0 to start the second row, that's what you're going to need. Yeah, we start the third row with our 2 zeros. You just don't do those styles of problems. So not really something that is worth your time. And the last one, question number 5. Let's try something like 87 times 22. All right, pause that video, try it, see what happens. So 2 times 7 is 14, carry the 1. 2 times 8, 16, plus the 1, there's your 17. Start your second row, so we do start with our 0 because we're using this next 2, which is in the tens position. And it's the same thing all over again. 2 times 7 is still 14, carry the 1. 2 times 8 is still 16, so there we go. So the nice thing about a repeat number is that they'll be the same numbers. 174, 174. We just needed that 0 for that placeholder. And let's add. 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 4, 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. And nothing plus 1 is just the 1. So 1,914. All right. Hey, that's it for today. We'll see you later.